Hi, welcome back. This is Adventures with Dr. Joe. Today we're going to change the air filter on a Kubota L series. This is an L6060. It's the largest compact tractor that Kubota makes. But changing the air filter is very, very similar in virtually every Kubota tractor. They're very similar. They have an inner and an outer filter. The outer filter is one that you can take off, and if it's not in too bad shape, you can blow it out with compressed air from the inside out. Again, you never want to drive dust into the filter. You want to basically, wherever it collects, you want to get rid of it going out that way. So let's open the hood and take a look, and we'll see where the air filter is. And there's also a little valve at the bottom of the air filter. It's similar to what was used in medicine beginning in Vietnam in the 60s to take care of a person with a collapsed lung, also known as a pneumothorax. But in this is the ability to get rid of large particles that get into the air filter. Let's take a look at those. Opening the hood is very straightforward. We need to get the guard out of the way, so we pull this pin out and the guard's forward. Then there's a little ring down here, and that pulls that open. And now we can lift the hood up, and it has a pneumatic. There it goes. Now, immediately what we see is the battery, the coolant, all the radiators, but then the air cleaner is back here, and we'll get a better look at that here up from the side. So we've cleaned the air filter. I've washed it because this thing was totally filthy, so I pressure washed the whole thing. But there's a little valve in the bottom here that we can squeeze, and I'll get a close-up of that. This is at the bottom of the cover of the air filter, and you can see we can just squeeze it and open it up, and if there's any large particles, they'll come out. Okay, so there's the cylinder that contains the air filter, and it has these type of clips. There are three. Two are easy to get to, of course, and one is not, but that's just the way it is. And then this comes off place, but there we go. So, and it's full of dust and dirt and yuck. Let's blow this out with some compressed air. Okay, the filter looks terrible. And again, this is the outer filter, and inside is another filter as well, but this filter is pretty filthy. But let's see if we can blast it out with some air. And again, blasting it out from the inside out, getting that dust going out. You never want to drive the dust inward. Okay, here we go. Whoa, jeez. Again, outside, inside out. Okay, it's terrible. I'm going to replace this filter. But that's how you do it. If it's not too bad. This one's terrible. Let's take the inner filter out and blow out the housing. Let's take a look. So we can just pull it. And this is that filter. Yeah, it's pretty good, but it's not the greatest. So I'm going to replace this also, which is unusual. Usually you can get by just blowing out the outer one, but I was in an incredible dusty field preparing it for basically a dove field after it had been clear cut, and it was a mess. And we're in a drought right now, so it was incredibly dry and dusty. Okay, so there's the old one. And here's the new one. These are made in Germany. And they say basically replace after 2 years. Do not clean. So that's how we're going to replace it, because it really is in pretty bad shape. Easy. Let's put it right back in there and have the opening facing down. And then we got a brand new Kubota filter here, the outside one. This is made in Germany. Kubota. I want to clean this out with a little air. inner filter, outer filter, and cover with that nipple or that special valve facing down, because it's basically for gravity. So you can you're supposed to pinch it once a day, but I don't think very many people do. I certainly don't. It's a good idea if you did. Okay, we have changed the air filters for the Kubota L series for the engine. It's had an outer and an inner one, and I changed both, which is unusual unless they're severely dirty like these were. But hey, if you found this useful, please give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing. Thank you.